The SINGER M1000 Mending Machine is a portable and lightweight sewing machine that is suitable for mending and basic hemming tasks. It has an easy-to-use stitch selection dial and a built-in 4-step buttonhole feature. This machine has a strong and durable metal frame that provides stability while sewing. The top drop-in bobbin system is easy to thread and helps maintain consistent and balanced stitching. The drop feed system allows for free motion sewing, and the included foot pedal allows for easy and convenient control. The SINGER M1000 Mending Machine has a maximum sewing speed of 750 stitches per minute, making it suitable for even the most time-sensitive projects. The machine comes with several accessories, including a pack of needles, bobbins, a seam ripper, and a darning plate. The machine's compact size makes it a great option for those who are short on space, and its ease of use makes it a great choice for beginners. It is also ideal for those who need a machine for quick touch-ups and repairs. Overall, the SINGER M1000 Mending Machine is a reliable and practical option for those in need of a machine for simple sewing tasks. Its durability and portability make it a great choice for those who are constantly on the go.